Punta kami ng kung saan man kami makarating. Magbabike kami. Dahil maganda ang weather, let's go outside. Say hi!
Yes, I can see new to your... Hello!
Hello! Dito kami sa Tahi. Yan. Ang kanilang dessert. Tapos ito yung kanilang shawarma, beef shawarma. Look the prices. Guys. So yun doon namin pinarkang.
Like daddy,
Aming
like
bike.
Taya's bike.
So yan, order sila ng order. Order pa more. Can I see?
Snoopy.
Poopy. Go try. It's hot.
Ah,
Mm.
it's hot? Hot?
Good.
Uh-huh. Very.
Hindi ko na videohan yung kinain namin dahil kami ay pasal na sa gutom.
I cannot eat this because it's too hot. Ow! It's actually so cold.
Cold? Ah.
I forgot I cannot.
Yan. Hati na lang sila. Super sweet. Dry coffee. Ice coffee.
Your first time you drinking coffee?
You like?
I want to try.
Really? Really, you like?
Yeah, but
Not bad.
I want to try with the.
You like?
So yan guys, punta na kami sa park. Madiklin. Parang uulan. So take your bicycle.
How long wait? At least I have safety helmet.
The tape, hindi pa maikabit yung pang ano, yung pang kabit sa So yan guys, ang aking camera holders.
I think about the hyper.
My sporty family.
Mommy, mommy,
Ah.
they
Oops.
And this one is Filipino, right? I see the flag.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
This.
Ah, yeah.
orange,
Have a Filipino flag.
Wait, is this Filipino? I thought there's only
Come, let's go. Bukas may snow na naman. Bukas ng umaga, snow na naman. Kaya labas lang na labas habang may araw. Yung mga paon-palong ako, pabalik na sila. Main Street. Kung saan kami makarating. Mamaya pagod sila. Kahapon nagbike kami mag-iina. Pagkahiga, bagsak, tulog ang dalawa. Wala nang likot-likot.
straight.
Adventures family.
I'm more like to go alone for adventure.
Ah,
I think we already have that.
ah,
I should go alone. Oops.
aray ko. Lagi ako naiiwan. Ay. Look natin. What natin? Pang everyday vlogs. Nakaganto yung camera ko. Pag special, naka-cinematic. So, yun ang falls.
Where's the third?
Nandito na kami sa park. Lakad na ako, hindi ko kayang paahon. Haha po. Pinagtitinginan ako, ganito palang vlogger. Aming park, malapit sa bahay. Dito ko ron pumunta dito sa ano. Nauuhaw ako. Where's ron? Ayun ba? I want to drink water.
It's our emergency.
Sarap mag-bike. So, puntahan natin sila. Nandun sila sa rampa. Maraming bata, oh.
Baby, the plaster is still strong.
So, nandito sila, oh. Nanonood ng mga extreme. I want to see. Okay, mabalian ka. Aba. Oh, sinatan.
I climbed.
I could not hear you.
Maybe let's go. Let's go.
You guys have been drinking too much?
Picture. So, yan guys. Uwi na kami. See you on my next
no.
vlog.
No.
Ayaw pa umuwi ni Nathan. Tomorrow. No.
There we go.
Yeah. See you on my next vlog. Bye.
Mommy, tomorrow snow.
So yan, uwi na kami. Pagoda na ang Mother Earth.
Mommy video, so come to her, come to her. Like that, like that. And then pass her, pass her.
I don't know.